So I'm trying to eat. I should be going to bed. I mean, daggone, it's 10 to 5, right? And look at this. Hey, no, you've been fed. I know she's not supposed to be on the table, but what am I going to do? What are you doing? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? What are you doing? Huh? Oh my God. This is my life. I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I've been working my butt off, and my back's killing me. This is my life. Well, our life. Ruby. There's Ruby. There's Ruby right there. She's sleeping. She don't care. Ruby don't care right now. No, she don't. What are you doing, Cynda? I've been doing spring cleaning, or trying to. Lord have mercy. And hanging up pictures. I got one I want to do something with. I think I already did a video about that. Right here. Yeah. I don't know where I'm putting it yet. Yeah. Okay. Will you fall there? I don't know. So I'm going to lay down. Yep. There's Brainy. I got over here real quick. And I got her school picture right here. Yes, I do.